Today we're bringing you a super simple recipe that can get you out of any trouble and tastes delicious. Cod with tomato, with little potatoes. Look! Wow, it looks amazing. First ingredient, cod loins. To prepare fantastic cod, you can also use slices, and with hake, it's also very tasty. A pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper to make it fantastic. Let's continue. We need flour. Flour, how much? A handful, about 100 grams. I'm gonna put it here on a little plate. And what we're gonna do here is coat our cod loins. Quick, let's keep going. What can you do? Accidents happen everywhere. After half an hour cleaning up the mess, I'm back with the same plate. I add a little more flour because the first batch got scattered all over the room, and I continue with the rest of the cod loins. Be careful! If you drop it from above like I did, you'll have an accident. Let's continue. We need 3 cloves of garlic and also a medium-sized onion. We chop the onion into small cubes. Here I go. Be careful with your fingers. And as soon as you finish chopping the onion, move on to the garlic cloves. We want them sliced like this, in thin pieces. Take your time and leave them like that. Then put them in the pot where we're going to prepare the cod. Oil, preferably olive oil if you have it, and a pinch of salt. Stir, turn on the heat, keep it low, and as soon as it starts to brown, add the garlic and let it saute. Next ingredient for extra flavor, some piquillo peppers, 4 or 5 of them, I don't know. About 100 grams, chop. We're gonna cut them into small pieces and they'll break down in the sauce, making it wonderful inside. Just like that. You see, the onion has already changed color and it's almost ready, right? In total, about 5 minutes for the onion to be well sauteed, with the garlic and everything else. Meanwhile, let's move to a pan, olive oil, just a splash, here I go, the liquid gold. As soon as it's hot, in go our fillets, we sear them on all sides. Because this way, when cooking, we'll keep all the juiciness inside and the fish will flake perfectly. See? There I have it. I flip it over, and as soon as it's ready, onto a plate, let it rest, and we continue with the rest of the cod fillets. We'll have them all ready in no time. I'll leave them there and continue with the pan. Paprika, a teaspoon. The onion is already sauteed, so we just add it and stir for 20 seconds. Low heat, so it doesn't burn. Next ingredient, of course, fried tomato sauce, 1 can, 340 grams. I always have these. In it goes, low heat. 2 minutes for our tomato sauce to mix really well with the rest of the ingredients already in the pot, and we'll be right back. Look how good it looks. Now we're gonna add a small glass of white wine, stir and mix on low heat. 2 more minutes. Don't worry, because the alcohol will evaporate, and as soon as it's well mixed, you'll have the sauce. Just like that. Simmering away. Fantastic. That's exactly what we need. In goes our fish. Always with the trick of leaving the skin side down, because it holds up much better, so the cooking will turn out much better. And on top of that, it doesn't stick. A double trick. You see, we always have little tricks for our recipes here. You place them nicely like this, on low heat, 5 minutes, all good, perfectly covered. We spend those 5 minutes on the potatoes, oil nice and hot, potato balls in, and they'll cook super fast. If you don't want these round little potatoes, don't worry, just fry them regular style in chunks, in little cubes, and that's it. Man, don't stress or just don't add them. Right now we're keeping an eye on both burners, and this one is like this. Give it a good stir, we turn it off and it's ready, and the potatoes, as you can see, give it a good stir, we turn it off and they're ready. And now we just have to put the potatoes over our fish to have a complete and spectacular dish. Here we go, come on, look, they turn out incredible. A real treat. I highly recommend adding them. And from here, straight to the table, that's it. Cod with tomato and potatoes. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of parsley on top since I didn't have any fresh, so I'm using the dried kind. It's alright, man. Look, wow, what a great recipe. In a flash, you have to make this recipe at home. I bring it to the table with its little potatoes and a bit of this sauce, which is truly wonderful. Get some bread ready because you're going to want to dip it, and now I'm going to show you the inside. Look at how the flakes fall apart.